Here we go. Alright, so here's our little walk around. This little control panel here is 3 different settings for the strobes on the grill and the bumper. This one here controls the strobe on top. So that one you've seen. We'll go ahead and kick that one on. And that's just this one right there. Okay, and then we can add to it now. We can go to these ones. And these ones are in the bumper and in the grill. These ones are back here, together with the ones up on top. And then they're also, that same switch does these ones up front. Which are these guys right here. And then along with those running lights that are on down below. And then of course you can change those. Right now it's, I think 6 and 6 is what it's on. But you can also now add to that your headlights, which are here, and your regular flashers. So then you have this up front. And then you have the same in back, but with your other ones added to it now. So you have your normal ones with all your accessory ones too. Then you can change the pattern. There's 2 different patterns for that also. Just on your little settings buttons here. That's on A. We'll go to B here. I don't even know what B is. We'll find out together right now. Okay, yeah, B, they just go back and forth like that. And let's see, I'm not sure what C is, but it's right here. So I'll see what C is. Oh, C is just, looks like all of them together. Anyway, so that's that. That's the whole set. And then you can turn them all individual, shut them all down. So that's it, sir. Hope you like it. Talk to you later.